Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos. Today I want to warn the new YouTubers, new social media people who wants to get in to affiliate market. Don't waste your time if you have less than 500 subscribers. This is a warning because I just got rejected by Amazon affiliate market after I made 29 sales within a few weeks for the reason that I don't have enough subscribers. They don't care about how many sales you make, they care about subscribers and other factors. So the affiliate market, as you know, it's a way to monetize your channel or other social media by placing links to the product you talk about, or the product may be useful to your visitors, viewers. So if you're a new YouTuber, I warn you, don't waste your time as I did. I waste a lot of time on application. You have to submit an application. Okay, here's the steps you have to do before. You have to apply on Amazon website for affiliate marketing. They don't tell you what the minimum requirement is. They only tell you to apply and post the links. You can post links right away, no problem, no question asked. You post the links, and you have to make 3 sales within, I believe, 6 months or so. And as soon as you make 3rd sale, they start to review your application. So here's the story. I made 3 sales within a few days as soon as I placed the links on my channel, and I made 29 sales in total. By the time they got 3rd sale, I already made more sales, so they start to review it. And just yesterday I got a email telling that my application was rejected for not enough subscribers. When I called to Amazon customer service to ask them why, so that's told me this minimum of 500 subscribers have to be on any social media you're gonna place the links, associate links. I'm sorry, the affiliate links. So they don't disclose this. When I called the first time before applying, they never told me that. They told me just go ahead and apply, make 3 sales, and you will be reviewed. So I want to save you time. Don't apply unless you have 500 subscribers. I warn you, okay? Don't waste your time as I did. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to save your time. I'm here to give you tips. And please hit the like button below. Please subscribe to my channel. Not only because you like my videos, but help me to get this 500 subscribers, okay? I need your help. So please hit the subscribe button so I can get enough to get to affiliate program, so I can have this channel bigger and more products to review. I will do a lot of videos about travel, different products. So stay tuned, hit the like button again, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Be safe.